Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, my dash is out and my dash bar is also out. So I'm going to Arvin's place real quick to swap dash bars, and then I'll do a little video of how we remove everything to help out anybody that might be removing their dash and don't know what to do really. But yeah, so let's head over to Arvin and get working. Alright guys, we're here and that's the dash bar we're going to replace here with Arvin. And he's already started removing it, so.
Your other dash is in good shape, right?
Yeah, it's in pretty good shape as well, yeah.
You want to give that back?
Isn't this one in good shape?
No.
Oh, yeah. I can't even see from up there. Oh, yeah, it's cracked over there. How many bolts hold this in again? Was it 12 or 14?
Huh?
12 or 14 bolts that hold the dash in place.
2 under here, 1 there, 2 at the bottom, and then it just pops out.
Okay. So yeah guys, I'm gonna set you guys up. We're just gonna remove all the bolts down here on the side and the gauge cluster.
Haven't worked on a Supra in years.
And a little bracket. A little cover up there. There you guys go. Arvin got the cluster off, the gauge cluster. So brake cover is off, and you guys can see there's a bolt right down there that you need to get access to, that it's being covered.
I'll hand you the 10 once I'm done with it.
Okay. Dropping down the steering rack column, so we can actually have access to remove the dash. Alright guys, so all the bolts behind the gauge clusters off, so now it's just popping it out, pulling it out. Just everything should be, yeah, this is out of the way. Okay, it's on you now. So yeah, because the top of the clips are all popping, and then your bolts, the bolt down here, and the brake pedal, and then drop the steering column down. Now we're gonna get to our dash bar, which is only held on to this bolt right here, and those fall in the corner right there, and then this comes off. So we'll loosen this bolts and we'll loosen the bolts down here. Alright guys, so that's it. We got our dash out and the bar out, so hopefully this video helps somebody out. You guys can leave a comment, let me know what you think. And the dash right here is all messed up. If you guys have your own dash you gotta remove, this video might help you out. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Anything you want to say to them, Arvin?
Not really.
Okay. Peace.